Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of this video, and what I just wanted to show you guys, because I got cut off in the previous video, is that these are the Elegoo and this is Anycubic. These are the two brands of resins that I'm using on the printers, and these are the instruction manuals for the printers that I've been testing these things on. They have done a really good job so far. I'm very impressed with these resins, not only because they're relatively environmentally friendly compared to some of the others, but also because they don't stink as much. So if you are smart and you put them in a place such as your garage or your laundry room, the wives won't be as angry with you for the stink, which is always a good thing. And so I thought I'd just lay out that advice just in case you get put in the doghouse like I always get put in the doghouse. Anyhow, so that's a helpful tip, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.